Hey y'all, this is Tyler Johnson, Library Assistant with the Lexington County Public Library System. In my last video, I showed y'all how to do some simple job searches in SC Works. I also showed you how to check to make sure your job searches are being recorded. It's good to know that your job searches are being recorded because in South Carolina, in order to receive unemployment insurance, you have to conduct at least 2 job searches in SC Works per week. Today, I want to show y'all what to do if you're looking to see if your job searches are being recorded, but you just can't find the little box or the widget that tells you how many job searches you've done. So just like last time, we're going to start off by going to jobs.scworks.org, and we're going to go ahead and log in. All right, let's log in here. Okay, so let's say we've already done our job searches and we just want to check to make sure that they've been recorded. So what we do is we go down and we're looking at these widgets or these boxes here in the center, and we need to find the one that says work search log. Now, as you can see, it's not in here for some reason. If your work search log widget disappears, don't panic. It's pretty simple to fix. All you have to do is scroll to the very bottom, and in blue, you'll see configure dashboard widgets. So if it disappears, click here, and it's going to show you a list of all the different widgets that are available to you, and they're arranged alphabetically. So our work search log has disappeared, and if you look here, the box is not checked. To get it back, all we have to do is check that box and press save, and now it should be back on our dashboard. So if we scroll down, we're looking for the work search log and keep going. And here it is. It got put at the very bottom here. One thing to keep in mind with these widgets is that you can move them. So if you want this higher up on your screen, you can just click on the green banner, hold it down the left click on your mouse, and just drag it up to wherever you want it to go. Maybe I want it right at the top up here. And release it, and it put it right up there for you. Now, occasionally you might accidentally hit one of these X's and a widget will disappear. But if that happens, all you have to do is go down, click Configure Dashboard Widgets, and click it and it'll come back for you. All right, so I hope that was helpful for y'all. If you have any questions while doing your job searches in SC Works, just give us a call or shoot us an email and we'd be happy to help you out.